Welcome to my channel, Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie and here this week project. I got this two nightstands on a Facebook marketplace. It's oversized nightstands. It's in a pretty good shape. I really love these handles. Has a lot of storage, have scratch, and the finish is gone. Little friend here, and I really like the shape of this nightstands. I'm just going to modernize a little bit on the legs and paint. Let's go to start. First I'm going to cut off the hardware for do a good cleaning. I'm going to cleaning with cloth cutter, and after this I'm going to cleaning with clear water and a good cleaning. I'm going to modernize a little bit these legs. I already did on the other nightstand. To change this veneer because Miss Sam, I'm going to replace. I bought this veneer on Amazon. I leave the link below. Sanding down on the legs, on the front doors, and on the top. I already did this one, and I'm going to paint, stain where I'm sanding down, and paint the other parts. I'm going to start with 8 grip sandpaper, and I'm go up to 120 and 220.
The last sanding with 240 sandpaper. At the same time, I scraped sanding the parts where I'm going to. I'm going to stain the color dark walnut. I'm sorry guys, almost cannot see because I spill. It's a dark walnut stain. Of course I'm going to use a rock.
After I stain, I really don't like how the stain looks, different colors, and look so badly. I'm going in another direction. I'm going to paint after all this work to sand it down, but I really don't like how this stain looks. Let's go to paint. I'm going to use rust onion and Shellac black paint. I already loaded my spray gun paint. Of course, if you spray, use a safety mask, a respirator safety mask, and light sand between coats. Let's go to paint.
I'm so very happy how these two Intables turns out. I'm so happy to change my mind and paint in all black. Comes out so beautiful. And this changed the legs, these little things make all the difference. Can you guys comment below what you guys think about these two hymn tables? Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. Please like, share, subscribe on my channel. See you on next one. Bye guys.